In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Notion with a team. Notion is a powerful tool for collaboration, and it's perfect for managing projects, creating wikis, and maintaining documentation. Whether you're working in a small startup or a large enterprise, the steps we'll cover today will help you and your team get the most out of Notion. Let's begin by navigating to your connected workspace for wiki, docs, and projects using Notion. This will be your hub where you and your teammates can collaborate seamlessly. If you're accessing it for the first time, it's important that you familiarize yourself with the layout and options available. It's a good idea to take note of the different sections and how they might be relevant to your team's projects. Next, let's log into Notion. You'll want to click on the Login button and complete your login credentials. If you're not yet registered, there is an option to sign up, which is straightforward. The interface is user-friendly, and once logged in, your personal workspace will greet you. Here, all your past projects, important notes, and collaborative documents are instantly accessible. After logging in, you should head over to the Notion home. This is essentially the starting point for all your activities in Notion. Here you can create new pages or access existing ones. Being organized from this point ensures that you can navigate effortlessly between your personal and team-related projects. Once you are at the Notion home, click on Settings. This is a crucial step because customizing your settings will enhance how effectively you can use Notion with your team. Within the settings, there are options to manage your notifications, integrate other applications, and configure your account preferences. Keeping your settings updated and aligned with your team's needs will improve workflow and ensure no crucial information is missed. To fully utilize Notion's collaborative capabilities, click on the Upgrade Plan button. Notion offers several plans, and while the personal plan is quite robust, upgrading to a team plan opens up features specifically designed for collaboration. For example, you can have unlimited guests and collaborators, integration with apps your team might already use, and enhanced permission controls. Finally, you'll want to upgrade to a team plan. This plan is tailored for collaboration and provides features that streamline teamwork. With the team plan, you have access to advanced permissions, which allow you to dictate who can view or edit specific pages, essential for managing sensitive documents. In addition, it offers enhanced version history, which can be a lifesaver when tracking changes or reversing them if needed. By following these steps, you'll have set up Notion to work effectively with a team. Remember, the key to leveraging Notion is consistency and exploration. Regularly update your projects, encourage team participation, and don't hesitate to explore new features that Notion releases. Happy collaborating!